Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about estimating sums and differences. I attached another document called the rounding rhyme. So if you're having some trouble rounding, take a look at that and see if that helps you. One of the biggest thing with estimating sums and differences is making sure that you're estimating or rounding the numbers first, because estimating is supposed to make things easier, not harder. So if I have 342 plus 225, there's two ways I can do this. One way I can do this is by estimating to the hundreds. So 342 is closer to 300, plus 225 is closer to 200 than 300, and that gives me an answer of 500. And I was able to solve that really quickly, which is the point of estimating. Another way I can do it is by estimating or rounding to the nearest tens. So 342 would round to 340, plus 225 would round to 230. And then I add those together quickly. And again, that is much quicker than adding it normally. Same thing goes for subtraction. So the first way I'm going to do that is by rounding to the nearest hundred. So 542 is closer to 500 than 600. Minus 197, that is super close to 200, which gives me an answer of 300. Or I can round this to the tens. 542 would round to 540. 197, that would still round to 200. So I'm going to minus 200 again. I'm going to answer 340. If you look at my two answers, they're pretty close to each other. So that is telling me that both ways are correct. If your answers were really far off from one another, then most likely you made a mistake somewhere. The last thing that I want you to do is this. Adding first, and then rounding this number, okay, to 570, or this would be 600, which would be much different than this answer. Estimating is supposed to make things quicker and easier. So you want to take out this harder part and estimate first and then add or subtract.